Gwatinda nditimurano gatagati ka muingi na maabitha borithi mwena wa Kayole, aikari makimenereria kuragwo kwa umwe wao.
The 7th and final annual devolution conference, which was to be held in Makueni, hereby notifies members of the public on inevitable postponement of the devolution conference.
Kanjo ya magavana guteria kigomano kia makaunti kiria kirabangitwo Makueni kiumia giukite. Na itua ria cira uria wacokirio riko kuregana na itua ria igoti nene hari guteaniria mihango ya BBI kurekererio muthenya wa rucio.